Hi, I'm Shane here with Eco Building Systems. One of the most common questions we receive is why do we stack our blocks in a stacking bond instead of a running or staggered bond? And the answer is simple. Running bonds are commonly used in CMU and other masonry construction. And for those materials, staggering is necessary to provide a strong and stable wall structure. This technique is dated and requires more leveling, more cuts, and ultimately more time. Here at Eco Building Systems, we choose to build better, which is why our ICCF blocks are designed specifically with simple stacking bonds in mind. ICCF stands for Insulated Composite Concrete Forms, and the key word in that name is forms. The channels in these blocks act as a guide for grout that, when filled, create an incredibly strong concrete grid structure within. Unlike other concrete forms, there is no need to remove our blocks once the concrete is cured. And once the perfect block is grouted, you are left with a wall that provides superior insulation. Here behind me is a simple visual to see how our blocks stack up. On the bottom is an example of a stacking bond, which is what we recommend our customers to build with. Here above, you can see an example of a running or staggered bond, which is what we do not recommend. In order to make it a little easier to see, let's take a look from the side. As you can see, there is no difference in the channel between the running bond on top and the stacking bond on bottom, meaning that once rebar is inserted and grout is poured, there will be reinforced concrete beams running both horizontally and vertically through these blocks, providing incredible strength that keeps your home standing strong. So can you use a running bond? Yes, but we don't recommend it. As mentioned before, running bonds require more work to keep level, more cuts and waste, and more time, which equals more money, all for no structural benefits. So why use a stacking bond? Because it's simple. With our blocks, it could be the first wall you've ever built and it's still going to come out great. For self-builders, this is an easy project to take on yourself. And for contractors, this means saving time and money with lower labor costs and quicker build times. If you or someone you know is wanting to build better, please give us a call at 888-623-4223 or visit our website, theperfectblock.com, and fill out our free project calculator to receive an estimate and build manual. Thank you, and we hope to hear from you soon.